Today on Judge Porter.
We're here for case number 3133, City of Menlo Park versus Danielle Green. If we have a representative from the city, can you please come to the podium? Ms. Green, if you're here, can you please come to the podium? Stress. What type of stress are you going through?
Yes, they have telehealth. I can do it virtually now, so that helps a lot with time.
We're here for case number 3133, City of Menlo Park versus Danielle Green. If we have a representative from the city, can you please come to the podium? Ms. Green, if you're here, can you please come to the podium? Ms. Green, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you?
I'm well, and yourself?
I'm doing well. Ms. Green, it shows here that you, wait a minute, am I reading this right? Something about citation. Okay, you missed a court appearance and you had some citations for your tag?
That's correct, Your Honor, yes.
Okay, why did you miss court?
Well,
Let me ask you this first. Was the court related to the tag? Like you had a date for the tag? Okay.
Right, to renew the registration, yes. I did miss court. I was in Menlo Park General Hospital, Your Honor. So that's why I unfortunately could not make it to court.
Wait a minute. So you're saying that the day that you were supposed to be in court, you were in the hospital?
Yes, sir.
Were you admitted to the hospital?
Yes, I was. Due to stress, anxiety, a lot of pressure, I had to be admitted.
Stress. What type of stress are you going through, if I may ask?
Financially, honestly, Your Honor, with my current job. And again, the registration fees, everything keeps going up.
Okay. All right. So you were cited for, give me a second here. Okay, the citation says that you were cited for $250. Have you taken care of have you updated your particular tag? Is it up to date now?
It is. It has been updated since, and it has been taken care of. Okay.
Do you have the documentation to show the courts that you took care of?
I do have the documentation, sir.
Okay. Jeff, can you pull up where she has and show me?
Oh,
so I can.
You want to pull it up? Because she doesn't have anything.
Oh, she doesn't have it with her?
Okay,
hold on.
Oh, okay.
Give me a second. Give me a second. I can do this. I have skills. I can look this up. I know how to look this up. Give me a second. Green with an E. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It does show that your tag is up to date. When did you receive the citations?
I received it, I want to say, before I was actually admitted to the hospital.
Okay. All right.
Or was it after?
All right. So you received these citations. Your tag is up to date. So since your tag is up to date, the $250 for the citations, I'm going to dismiss that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, my question to you, what do you do for a living, ma'am?
I do currently work as an environmentalist, so I'm very incorporated with the community, taking care of the environment. That's my main duties.
Okay. Do you have like an association with the with Menlo Parks Parks and Recreations?
I do, sir.
You deal with that?
Correct.
Okay. This is what I don't understand though. Why are you stressed though?
Because it's a very demanding job, as you know.
This is a demanding job. Do I look stressed?
Indeed.
Do I look stressed to you?
I don't know. You carry it very well. Everyone is different, and I know I do have
How old are you?
Issues. I'm 25.
You're 25.
Yes.
And you have a job that's causing you stress?
Correct.
To the point that you're getting hospitalized?
Unfortunately, I'm a hard worker.
What did the doctor say was wrong with you? What was their diagnosis? I'm just curious.
I do have depression. I do. And high blood pressure.
Okay. Okay. The second one, is that hereditary or that's diet?
It's both, actually. My grandfather did pass away from that.
Okay. On them Sunday meals, you're gonna have to cut back on something.
I know.
Grandma put that food in front of you. You gotta, hey, I can't eat this.
Wow.
And Jeff know what I'm talking about.
I know, it's so hard.
Jeff know, hey, me and Jeff, we on the same page. And I could probably guess what's on that menu at Grandma's house on Sunday.
And it's good too.
And I bet it, I know it's good. I know it's good. That's what's causing that high blood pressure. Leave it alone. You got to back away from that, you know.
Yes.
But see, that's the easy part. The other part is the depression part. It's got you going to the hospital to the point where you're missing appointments, important appointments.
Court dates.
Now, I don't know about any other judge. You know, some judges are like, I don't care if the sky is falling. You will make it to my court at the assigned time. I'm not like that. I need to hear everything, and then I take into an account whether I need to take further actions. But do you have any children?
I do not, no.
You don't have any children. How long have you been dealing with depression?
I want to say right after college, so about 3 years now.
Did you get your degree?
Yes, sir.
Listen to me, and listen to me well. Mental health is not something that you want to take lightly. Okay?
I agree.
There's always going to be people out there, oh, girl, I have depression too. No, your man left you. That's not the same. Okay? That's a different type of depression. Okay? Well, when it comes to stuff like clinical depression, things of that nature, that's very serious. And, you know, are you assigned any type of medications?
I do have medications I have to take.
Okay, so you do have a psychiatrist.
I do.
Okay, are you making it to those appointments on time?
Yes, they have telehealth. You know, I can do it virtually now, so that helps a lot with time.
You have insurance that's covering your bills, like when you go to the hospital?
Yes, thank God for my job.
I'm still a police officer with the city of Mango Park.
Nice.
And I need you to listen to me very carefully in what I'm about to say. I don't want to get a call to your residence because the depression got the better of you.
Right.
You understand where I'm going with this?
Absolutely.
Because I've been on the scenes of people where the depression got the better of them. And I understand that it is an internal struggle. I don't have depression, so I can't testify to that, but I can empathize with it. And as sure as it's affecting you, I'm pretty sure it's also affecting family members, friends,
Social
and they're
life.
not gonna understand completely. Girl, won't you just come on, put on some heels and come hang out with me? That's not gonna solve the depression issue. All right, but if you're seeing your psychiatrist, you're taking your medications, keep doing that. Now, as far as the stress, I don't know what they're recommending on that. But if they're recommending that you need to reduce your workload a little bit, then you do that, okay? Because a peace of mind is priceless. That is just priceless. That's probably the most valuable thing you will ever have in your life is a peace of mind, especially after you get married. Trust me, I know. But like I said, as far as these citations go, we're not going to worry about that. That's taken care of because you've already taken care of the registration. I checked on that. As far as missing court for that particular court date, any fines that you may have accrued from that, I'm going to double check on that.
Okay.
But any fines that you may have accrued from that court date, I'm going to check with the judge in that, and I'm going to talk to him and see if we can get those waived.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your candor.
Anytime.
And I appreciate the fact that you are seeking help for your mental health. Do you have any questions or concerns?
No, I don't. I just want to thank you again, being the judge you are and understanding.
You know, as long as I've been doing this job, I don't think I've ever had someone whose glasses match their outfit. Pretty in pink.
Thank you.
All righty, ma'am. You have a good day.
You as well, Judge.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice one.
Thank you, Judge Porter, for listening to my circumstance and understanding the importance of mental health for everyone of every color, all ages. It's very crucial, and I want to thank the judicial system again for having someone as Judge Porter.
How you doing? Look, all of us, we have our own daily struggles with all type of things, some more than others. But there are going to be moments where some of us, those moments are a little deeper and a little darker, whether it be depressions, anxiety, even drug and alcohol addiction. But when those moments come, don't try to do it alone. Don't be afraid and ashamed that you're going through those things, because there are people out there who care about you. Seek help, whether it's friends, family, or even if it's an organization that's in your town or city. Seek help so you can pull through those dark moments and see the light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you.